My name is David Schuette. I'm the Innovation Manager here at Joa, and I've worked here for 10 years. Think about this. A traditional cut, turn, and place unit can only run one or two sizes and requires a large effort to change over. What makes Joa's technology unique, the ESC8, is that you can handle a whole product size range, and instead of having to change the whole unit, you have a toolless puck change and the push of a button, saving many hours, perhaps even a whole shift, several people. So it's really worth a lot. If you're not already using cut, turn, and place technology, then you're using more glue and more non-woven material in your product than you need to. One of the significant benefits that ESC8 offers is the ability to match your insert to your product design needs, which allows you to save tons of glue, tons of material, and tons of CO2 emissions. If you have a legacy cut, turn, and place unit, you might be running 250 on the larger sizes, double XL or triple XL. With ESC8, you can run up to 100% faster. When you combine the manufacturing speed increase with the material savings, customers who utilize Joa's exclusive ESC8 technology are able to see almost $900,000 of annual savings per machine. Today, everyone is interested in increasing design flexibility, optimizing size change, creating a more sustainable product, all while reducing manufacturing costs. Reach out to Joa today, and we'd be happy to help you reach your goals.